45, 45, who 45, who 45, who 45, I'm 45, who 45, I'm 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, no makeup, just some lip gloss. Poppin', 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 poppin'. Hey traders, it's me, Vicky of All Trades. And it's my 45th birthday and I'm coloring my hair purple. So get ready for this grape experiment. My hair went from this brownish ombre color that just transitioned over the months. At first, I bleached my hair. Then I dyed my roots black. Be advised, I'm not a professional. I am an amateur. I'm just experimenting on my own hair, trying to figure things out, get stuff the way that I want it. Attempt to get a purple. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. I'm gonna experiment first so I don't mess up my hair. I know that red and blue makes purple, but I don't have that much red, and I don't know how deep of a purple it would be with just the small amount of red that I have. I know previously I used that red, that raspberry, and this burgundy, and came out with like a bright red. Here goes. I can't wait to see what this is gonna look like. Purple over blonde. My expectations are that it will be bright, very bright, very, very bright. I'm getting a little lazy now, and I'm just kind of slathering it on. I'm trying to keep it parted and all of that good stuff. Okay, I'm done with that side. Took all of it down. I'm gonna check it, comb it through, make sure everything is covered. Close to the end, close to the end. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this last piece that I gotta get done. And that'll be it. Let's see how long this takes for me to get this done. See, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that disrespectful stuff. That's not blonde. That's great. Disrespectful. Disrespectful.
Thirty minutes later.
Bam! This ain't what I want. I wanted it to be brighter. I guess I gotta experiment yet again and try to lighten it up, because this is too dark. It's just like my hair's black. That's not what I wanted. It is a shade of purple. And of course you can see the blue undertones because my base color was blue. And I put in some burgundy and some red. But I wanted it brighter, especially considering my hair was bleached. I thought it was gonna be bleached. But I guess that's why they have the lighter shades of the purple or violet. I should have just bought the lighter color, but I thought, since I was putting it on bleached hair, that it was gonna still be bright. Although in the sunlight, it might look brighter, but just regular, regular lighting, it's not at all. Outside in the sun, yes, but if I'm not in the sun, no. I'm gonna play around with some developer and see if I can pull some of the color off just a little bit, not a whole lot. So I might be mixing this number 10 developer with some conditioner to see if that'll help lighten up my color a little bit, if it doesn't like totally strip it off. We're gonna see. I'm not gonna leave it on that long, and I don't want to use up all my conditioner because that stuff is expensive. I gotta look and see what I got in the closet. I think I got some of that purple shimmer shampoo stuff. You know, there's a limit on things you can find on YouTube. So hopefully this YouTube video will help somebody. I don't know why people do that. So I just learned that the shimmer shampoo doesn't do anything besides tone down brassiness. And since my hair is not brass, it's purple, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this number 10 developer on it. 10 and 20 developer. I added the 10 and 20 developer because I didn't have enough 10, so I'm just gonna mix the two of them. Does that equal 30, or is that some kind of reverse mathematical? The 20 cuts down to 10, but the 10 something, anyway, whatever. I'm just gonna apply with my hand. Goes on faster. So I'm just gonna put it on real quick and maybe sit with it for maybe 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. Well, this is the after. It looks like it's lighter, but I can't really tell for sure. I washed it out. I put some neutralizing shampoo on it just to make sure to, deactivate the activeness of this stuff developer. And I don't know. I might try putting some more developer on it. I'll see how I feel. But it looks lighter in general, just from looking at it like this versus, I guess when it's dry and shrunk, it looks different. But in the light, of course, you can see the color. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. I might dry it. I'm gonna put some of this conditioner on it. It's like a protein conditioner. Put some of this on it and see how I feel. I might go back and put some developer on it and just let it sit after it's dried out, maybe tomorrow or something like that. I don't want to damage my hair too much more, but I'm experimenting here, trying to figure it out. I love this conditioner for colored hair, colored and treated hair. This stuff is so good. All I have to do is rub this on my hands, rub it through my hair, and my hair is so manageable. It's soft. I don't even wash it out. I just leave it in and just wash and go.